If I told you that you could start making real money online this week using free AI tools, would you believe me? Because thousands of Americans are already doing it, and you're about to learn exactly how. Hey everyone, today we're talking about something that's changing the game for people who want to earn money from home. We're diving into the best AI tools that are helping regular folks, not tech experts, build real income online right here in the USA. Now, I'm not going to promise you'll get rich overnight. That's not how this works. But what I will show you are proven tools that people are using right now to freelance, create content, start side businesses, and yes, make actual money. So let's get into it. We're going to focus on one tool in particular that's absolutely essential if you're just getting started. All right, let's talk about ChatGPT. You've probably heard of it. It's an AI chatbot created by a company called OpenAI, and it launched in late 2022. Since then, it's become one of the most popular AI tools on the planet. But here's what matters for you. ChatGPT is basically like having a really smart assistant available 24/7. You type in questions or requests, and it gives you detailed, helpful responses. You can ask it to write things, explain concepts, brainstorm ideas, solve problems, even help you learn new skills. And here's the best part. There's a free version that anyone can use. You don't need a credit card. You don't need special training. You just go to the website, sign up, and start using it. So how does this actually help you make money? Let me break down the most common ways Americans are using ChatGPT to generate income right now. First, freelance writing and content creation. Businesses need content constantly. Blog posts, website copy, social media captions, email newsletters. If you can write well, there's demand. But here's the thing. ChatGPT can help you write faster and better. It can help you outline articles, generate first drafts, come up with headlines, even research topics. This means you can take on more clients and earn more per hour. Second, starting a service business. Let's say you want to offer resume writing services. ChatGPT can help you create professional resumes quickly. Or maybe you want to help small businesses with their marketing emails. ChatGPT can draft those. You provide the human touch, the strategy, the personalization. ChatGPT handles the heavy lifting. Third, creating digital products. People are using ChatGPT to write ebooks, create online courses, develop templates, build PT to help you create lesson plans, practice problems, study guides. Then you offer tutoring services on $1 a month. Not life-changing money, but enough to help with bills, groceries, and savings. You literally just type what you want, and it responds. Second, it's designed to understand everyday language.